Emails not showing in Gmail inbox. How to fix this? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there might be several reasons that emails are not showing in your Gmail inbox. One of them could be your storage problem. If your storage is full or it has exceeded your storage limit, you will not be able to send or receive email. So if you have to get additional storage in order to get the ability of sending and receiving emails back. Next option, tap and hold the Gmail app, go to app info, go to its storage section and tap on clear cache. Next step, go to Play Store, search for Gmail and make sure you have the latest version of Gmail app. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.